Hello, it's Mrs.Z. It's a lesson 16 and it's mission 2. It's word problem. Okay, so let's see what they say. They say the area of rectangular vegetable garden is 200 square feet. The width is 10 feet. What is the length of vegetable garden? So I'm going to use my tools to make a garden. So if this is the garden, okay, so then I can label what I know. They tell me that area is already known. So this is area. And that means in all this has a 200 square feet. So area equals 200 square feet. They also said that the width is 10 feet. So the shorter side width is equals 10 feet. What they don't know is the length, and length is question mark. Okay, so the length is question mark. So what is the length of vegetable garden? Well, when we are fifth grade, and when we have a formula for area is the same as length times width. So we can substitute the values that we know. So right now we know that here is 200 instead of area A. We know it's 200 feet squared. And then we don't know what the length is, so we're just gonna leave that there. And then times W, and we know that width is 10 feet squared. 10 square feet. Okay, so now when we have multiplication in our problem, the solution is division, because the fact family, when your operation is multiplication, your solution is division, or when it's division, then your solution is in multiplication. So what we need to know that L is when we have 200 divided into the 10. So you can see this as a fraction line is division, or we can say 200 oh, sorry, this one is here. This is not feet squared, it's just a feet. And I just made mistake, which is not okay. The length, the lines, it means, look, I made here correct feet, because this is feet, this is feet. When you multiply foot by foot, you get square foot. So that what that means, if I am doing this, that answer is going to be in feet. So 200 divided by 10, divide by 10. So the length equals 200, divide by 10, the number is going to get 10 times smaller, so it's going to lose 1 0, so answer is 20 feet. Okay. There is also another way that I can show you, which maybe let's see if I use these 200 feet squared. Feet times feet is feet squared divided by 10. Remember, I was teaching you how I did. So this represents the 10. So these two gonna, this is like 20 times 10. So the 10 and 10 gets canceled, you have 20. But also this was a feet, look, 10 feet, square feet. So then feet divided by feet is also gonna cancel each other. So what is left in your answer is 20 feet. I know, does that make sense? But for you who did, it's a good to know. This is just deeper thinking. Okay. If you want a very short thinking, you say, oh, area equals length times width. So what times 10 equals 200? So you know that L must be 20 because 20 times 10 is 200 and feet times feet is square feet. And that was lesson 16 word problem. And it was Mrs. Z. All right. Oh, well, I forget one thing. We need to write the answer. What is the length of vegetable garden? The length of the garden is 20 feet. Okay. It's important, guys, that you are writing your answer because it's help you to be better speller, better than Mrs. Z. So keep writing. Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.